If you are joining college soon or are already enrolled, you could be wondering how to earn money as a student. The fact that you're considering being productive is a great thing. You also want to perform well at school without putting your parents under too much financial pressure. Supporting yourself economically is challenging, but you can manage it if you know how to go about it. Welcome back to another episode of Facultive Station. Get involved and join the community by subscribing to the channel so you never miss any of our latest uploads. In this episode, we're going to be taking a look at how you can make money as a student. Let's get into it. Money-making ideas for college students are awesome. They are the gateways to financial freedom. So there is no better time than when you're at university or college to start earning passive income and developing your entrepreneurial skills. It gives you valuable experience you will forever be grateful for and will be able to use throughout your life. Let us have a look at some of the most tried and tested methods out there. Number 1. Get a part-time job. If you want to know how to make money in college, a part-time job is one of the most common opportunities. Part-time work can include anything from working in retail to being a barista. While part-time work may not be extremely lucrative and will require more rigid hours, it's a legitimate way to earn money in college. Many businesses post signs or website ads when they're looking to hire, so keep an eye out for opportunities at your favorite stores. Number 2. Sell your old textbooks. How much do you spend on textbooks for your classes? The average college student spends $1,200 per year on textbooks. If you take good care of your textbooks, you can try to sell them on Bookscouter to get some of your money back. The Amazon trade-in page is a good resource to determine pricing on your old textbooks to ensure you're selling at market price. Number 3. Do odd jobs around town. Students who enjoy working with their hands can make good money helping people around town. TaskRabbit is an awesome resource that connects you with people who need help with various jobs, from yard work to mounting a TV and more. You set your own rates and work when you want. Number 4. Deliver meals. Do you have a car, bike, motorcycle, or scooter? If so, you can make money as a delivery driver. DoorDash is an on-demand delivery service that allows you to deliver restaurant meals. The company says you can get paid $23 per hour while on a delivery. Number 5. Take surveys. You won't get rich with surveys, but a site like SurveyJunkie is a good way to add a little extra spending money to your wallet if you are a broke college student. This platform is easy to use, and you only need a $10 balance to redeem things. If you're active enough, it's possible to earn several $100s each month. Number 6. Become a resident assistant. If you live on campus and don't mind overseeing operations, being a resident assistant, RA, is a fun job. You don't always receive payments as an RA, but you often get your dorm room and meals for free. Some schools will pay a small stipend in addition to those perks. Number 7. Become a virtual assistant. Do you like to work behind the scenes by managing administrative tasks like email or scheduling appointments? If so, you can support a small business as a virtual assistant, VA. You don't need specialized skills to do this job, but they do help. It's possible to earn $15 or more per hour in this role. Additionally, the hours are flexible. Number 8. Sell your notes. Do you take very detailed notes? You can sell your notes to help other students and make money in the process. Stuvia is a site that allows you to sell your notes. You retain ownership of the notes, and you can set your own price for them. Stuvia does all of the marketing for you. This means that all you need to do is upload your notes, set a fair price, and get paid when somebody buys them. Number 9. House sit. House sitting is an easy way to make money on the side, especially in college. As a house sitter, you get paid to stay in someone's home while they travel. Care.com is a good resource to find gigs. Expect to earn $25 per evening you watch the home. Number 10. Donate plasma. Donating plasma for money may not sound fun, but you can easily make several $100s per month doing it. Each plasma center has its own requirements and payment amounts. However, if you're in a pinch, this can be a good way to make extra money on the side. Number 11. Sell t-shirt designs. Similar to graphic design, you can design and sell t-shirts with minimal effort. You don't store the shirts. Instead, you simply create the design and use a platform like Teespring to produce and market the products. These sites do all the back-end work for you, so you only deal with designing. Number 12. Freelance writing. Companies and small businesses always need new content. If you enjoy writing, you can work your way up to earning $100, $200 or more per article. Sites like ProBlogger and freelance writing gigs are a terrific way to locate writing jobs. Number 13. Babysitting. Babysitting is a classic way to make extra money. If you don't mind giving up a few evenings each week, you can easily earn $15 or more per hour. Referrals are the name of the game when it comes to getting more babysitting gigs. Care.com is a helpful site that lets you create a profile, find jobs, and get referrals. Number 14. Rent out your car. Renting your car is an easy way to earn money in college. HireCar is a platform that matches you up with renters looking for a car. The site says the average person earns $720 a month renting out their car. If your car sits unused a lot, this is a fantastic way to earn passive income. Number 15. Graphic design work. If you like to design graphics, this is one of the best jobs for college students. You can work in your free time and design anything from logos to marketing materials and more. Sites like 99 Designs are a fantastic way to earn cash selling your designs. Number 16. Proofread. From fellow students to companies, everyone wants good content. A proofreader examines content to ensure everything is grammatically correct, and there are no misspellings. You can demand $20 an hour as a proofreader. Use social media to market your services, or use sites like LinkedIn to find work. Number 17. Teaching assistant. Many professors need help with grading assignments or doing research. A teaching assistant can be invaluable to help teachers balance their responsibilities. Ask around campus or talk to your favorite professor to see if they need help. Number 18. Start a blog. Blogging is a popular side hustle idea and one of the best ways for college students to make money. From display to affiliate advertising, there are many ways to make money with a blog. Bluehost is a fantastic resource to launch your site. They install your site, provide 24/7 support, and give you a free domain name for just $2.95 a month. Number 19. Walking dogs. Walking or boarding dogs is one of the best side hustles for college students who love animals. An app like Rover lets you connect with pet owners who need help. The site claims active contractors can earn up to $1,000 per month. Number 20. Grocery shopping. On-demand grocery shopping is one of the top high-paying jobs for college students. Instacart Shopper is a leader in the space. People order groceries with Instacart. Then, as an Instacart shopper, you purchase and deliver them. Like DoorDash, you can work on your own schedule. This service is available nationwide and claims drivers can earn $20 plus per hour. And with that, we've reached the end of today's episode, all about how you can make money as a student. Which of the methods we went through will you be trying to earn some extra cash? Perhaps you know of some other great ways to make some money while studying. Get involved and let us know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, remember to leave a thumbs up. Plus, if you want to see more fantastic finance and accounting content just like this, remember to subscribe to the channel and check out our other socials such as Instagram and TikTok that are listed in the video description. As always, thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.